That's our third point. Let me drink the water because my throat has gone empty. Thank you for your patience. Now, as for the fourth point, we have vision. Now, this is number one. Now, this is also top problems that people face today, that they do not have end goal. In my college, where I'm studying right now, when I ask many people that what they want to do in life, they're like, I will see, maybe I will go on this side, maybe I will go on that side. I will just see it. They're not confirmed that what they want to do in life, in future. They're just not too sure. Many of them don't even know that where they want to go. Some of them are just a little bit of the side. And a small example of this is that if you have the best ship in the world, but the captain doesn't know where to go, you can end up anywhere. Which means that you can end up even in a jungle full of lions. You don't know. You might be the, instead of being the predator, you might be become the lunch of the predator. You just don't know. So vision is actually the basic thing. You need to see that what is the thing that you basically love, and then you need to make it your vision. Now, if you don't know your vision, simply is that uh, you need to try the ideas that you have in mind, even though you do not love them at the moment. You just try them for 6 months. You can even try two ideas simultaneously for 6 months, but make sure to flirt with different ideas so you can know which idea is actually you are interested in, and then you can narrow down on that idea. Okay, so that's the basic thing, that you need to flirt with different ideas for 6 months per idea, or per two ideas you are doing, if you are doing them simultaneously. And then after 2 to 3 years, once you have got your final idea that you are finally interested in, you make it a vision, and then you narrow down in one field. That's our vision, and this is very, very important, that if you don't know where to end up, you can end up anywhere. You can end up miserable. You don't know. And that's what happens with many, many people, and that's why suicide rate rises in the world, and that's why many people are happy, and that's why racism occurs, and so many of the problems. It's an endless cycle that no one actually notices. So this is actually what we are going to discuss today. And finally, let me discuss this first point, that there's no such thing as a good or bad habit. There's only effective habit that exists. So this means that we have no such thing as a good or bad habit. We have simply effective habits. So for example, if you are a smoker, so smoking on a short term is not a bad habit. This may surprise you, but let me explain. If you smoke right now, you have an instant relief of stress. Why you smoke? You just have got stress in your mind that I just need to smoke and smoke, and after you smoke, you got stress relief, you got that satisfaction, instant satisfaction for just about that moment, and then you say, okay, now I'm satisfied. But the way we say about these, that it being positive or negative, is we talk about the net positive and net negative outcomes. We talk about the net positive and net negative outcomes. Just a second. We talk about that what will be the results for this thing in the long run. Will it be positive? Will it be negative? Now, the short exercise to notice that is that go on, take out a sheet of paper, make two columns, and then on first column, write down your habits that you do from day-to-day basis. It can be brushing your teeth, it can be sleeping early, it can be using the mobile, it can be cigarette, or write down all the habits. And then the second column, you have three options. You label each habit as positive, or as neutral, or as negative. These are the three options, and after doing this, you actually go through a process of self-analysis, so you can know that which habit is bad. And actually this is very, very effective, because now you know that which habit you need to go for to improve at first. You do not need to go for an, okay, so you have 50 bad habits, just for example, and now you are going for improving 30 of them. That's impossible. What I do is that I simply go for 1 or 2 habits at a time, and then I try to improve them, and then I go for the second two, and then so on and so forth. You do not need to go for all of them. You just need to go for some of them, and then some of them, and then some of them. It's just a progress. It's just that 1%, 1%, 1% improvement. So just keep in mind that no habit is good or bad. It's just effective habit, which means that it has net positive or net negative outcomes. So this was all for this class. If you want this presentation, I am going to share this link in the description, in the chat also, just in a second. So yes. Here you go. I have shared the link in the chat. So thank you very much, guys, for watching today's class. And for some of you who have missed some of the content, I will be uploading these videos on my YouTube channel also, and on my Facebook page. So my YouTube channel is Ninja Combo. Let me drop down the link for that channel along with. And also I will retake this class next month. So you do not need to worry. Okay. So this is my channel link, and finally my Facebook page link. Just a second. The page is loading. I will just send you the link. Please be patient. So there you go. And that's the link for my Facebook page. And I will upload this recording as soon as possible on my YouTube and Facebook page also, so many of you can benefit from it. Thank you again very much, guys. It was an amazing experience to be with you guys, and I will see you next time. Thank you.